We're packing up to head out on a different kind of overland trip in our Fiat Spider to Southern Oregon, and Trey's going to attempt to fit all of our camping gear in the trunk of this car.
Where should I put the max tracks and road packs?
You're driving on Highway 199 in southwestern Oregon, you have to stop at Taylor's. Cheating and going to Trader Joe's for all of our camping food. And we made it. We're at Howard Prairie Lake in Southern Oregon, and we're at a Fiat gathering. This is the Oregon Fiat event. It's been going on for 25 years now. This is the 25th year. And Trey and I started coming in about 2007 when he finished our Fiat Spider. So we've been getting together with a lot of these people for a lot of years, and it's always a fun time. I'll show you around. We brought a tent because we didn't know if any of the cabins would be available, but this group campground has little cabins, so I'll show you our cabin that we have and our little setup here. It's really nice. This is our little cabin. It's basically just a room that has bunks, but we brought an air mattress because it's more comfortable. We remember from the past that these pads that they have are really uncomfortable, so we brought our air mattress and our backpacking bags just because they compact so small. We had room for them in the car. And yeah, so this is it. Little bar setup. And then we've got this great little deck out here, the table. And I'll see if you can see, but we've got a great view of Mount McLaughlin off in the distance there. There it is. Our cooking setup's pretty minimal because we didn't have room for a lot of things, but we have our small vintage Coleman stove. Got one pan, and then pretty much everything else I fit in this bin here. Has all of our utensils and plates and things. So pretty basic. Trey already set up the hammock, and he's enjoying that. We came a little bit early on this trip. We're here on a Thursday, so there's not a lot of other people here yet, but hopefully more people will show up, and hopefully they'll bring their cars so we can show you some of those as well. This is the group gathering area and the kitchen. I'll take you inside the kitchen.
Yes, you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. short of confidence. My hands begin to shake.
I panicked for a minute because I thought I forgot my corkscrew for my wine. But then I remembered we have this cool case here. It's this cute little case here. It's called Wheelers. We got it on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. But it's just a little compact carrying case for all your utensils and your plates, and it has the corkscrew. And the plate's down here, and I just threw an absorbent towel in it. And yeah, it just zips up, and it's perfect for 2 people. I think they make larger ones for larger families too. But I'll link it below.
Thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain
And this is dinner.
stuck to your teeth. You got everything. I can't believe how you've been let down again and again. And I'm paranoid. It's under my skin. I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again?
Nothing else we do that.
Good morning. Made it through the night. Wasn't super comfortable on the air mattress, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna just have a quick breakfast. We're thinking about heading out and doing some exploring today. We're not too far from Crater Lake, so we might do that. We'll definitely take you along wherever we go. But this is beautiful country out here, so there's lots to see and do. Attempting to make our way into Crater Lake National Park, and it's pretty busy. We came on a Friday, it's 11:15. Probably want to come earlier in the week and earlier in the morning, I'm guessing. Crater Lake is a caldera formed from the eruption of Mount Mazama. It's the deepest lake in the United States at 1,949 feet, or 594 meters. It's fed only by rainwater and snowmelt. We've got the traditional mulligan breakfast going inside the kitchen.
Yeah, you want spaghetti in your eggs?
There's a drop in there. Zero cholesterol, zero trans fat.
That's a lot of chocolate chips.
That started with him rummaging through people's coolers and stuff outside their tents.
At like 5 o'clock in the morning.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you get up while everybody was still sleeping.
And then people started leaving things out like for Santa Claus. There's a lot of them in there. We can throw some of them on the grill, I guess. Yeah, I want apps or is it available?
No, you have to
Okay,
wake up at
thanks.
that time and that, you know.
I watched the whole video.
Yeah, they didn't know that.
more information on the annual Oregon Fiat event, visit mirafiori.com.